Hi, Aumsville. I'm Lucas.
My name's Andrew.
Good morning. I'm Ari. Happy Monday.
Good morning, Aumsville. My name is Logan.
Hey guys, we got a little Monday morning pep talk.
Hi, my name is Colby.
Hello, peeps of Aumsville. I hope you're having a good day. My name is Gretchen. I will give you a pep talk.
So my advice to you is to like I know it's the Monday, and some of you might have the case of the Mondays and I don't want to do this, but come on, you can do this.
My advice for you is to be respectful and responsible and do good things when no one's looking.
Always be supportive. If someone's having a rough day, you can be friends with them, you can play with them.
So if you see somebody sitting on the buddy bench, you might want to go invite them to play a game.
Have fun, not just stiff up and must do good at school.
Instead of thinking about all the bad things that could happen, think about all the good things that could happen if you try and motivate yourself and get the thing done.
Everyone should try to follow the rules and not get in trouble, because if you do that, you might miss out on a field trip or a fun activity your class is doing.
Work hard and stay focused.
Give people compliments. Just try to have overall a fun and easy week.
I believe in you.
Thanks for watching the little kind of video. Bye-bye.